So we're taking the list from PropStream, we're dumping it into better skip tracing, and from better skip, once we have the appended data, which takes the addresses from PropStream, appends it, gives us the phone numbers so that we can start calling or texting people immediately. And from there, we upload the data. All right, guys, when we're talking about wholesaling real estate, there are 3 top tools that we use in order to get in front of motivated sellers. Tool number 1 is PropStream. Now, PropStream we use to pull data, assess comps. We can pull a big list of motivated sellers and dial it down by bed bath count. We can target certain lists such as absentee owners, which is tired landlords, vacant properties, inherited properties, behind on taxes, pre-foreclosures. They got zombie properties and everything in between. This helps you to really dial in on the distress and pull a list of people who might be interested in selling their house. After that, we pull the list and then we upload it into Better Skip. Now, Better Skip is some of the best quality data that we have found, and it's offered at a fraction of a cost that a lot of these other big providers offer. When you're buying it in bulk, you can get it as cheap as 6 cents per record. So we're taking the list from PropStream, we're dumping it into Better Skip tracing, and from Better Skip, once we have the appended data, which takes the addresses from PropStream, appends it, gives us the phone numbers so that we can start calling or texting people immediately. And from there, we upload the data into Market Pro. Now, Market Pro is by far the simplest yet powerful tool for real estate investors across the board. Now, at face value, Market Pro is a CRM. It's got your customer relationship management all in one place, but you also have phone numbers, you have SMS messaging, you have emails and ringless voicemails. It's got website templates, unlimited, so you can have as many websites as you want inside of the CRM, and it's all integrated on the back end, plugs into your Google Calendar, plugs into your social media accounts, and allows you to manage your entire business from a high level down inside of the Market Pro app. Also has a text blasting feature, so hence the reason that we're using that as our top tools. Pull the data from PropStream, we skip trace with Better Skip, and we dump it into Market Pro so we can text blast a bunch of sellers, bringing in motivated appointments so we can set up appointments, meet the sellers, negotiate the deal, and lock up the contracts. And those are the top 3 wholesaling tools that we use inside of our business.